everyone, कैसे हैं आप लोग? So I hope you all are doing very well. So in this video we are going to talking about what is inheritance in Java. So inheritance in Java is basically one of the pillar of object-oriented programming, which is basically sharing the properties and method of a class with another class. The class which is sharing the property is known as the parent class or base class, and the class which is accepting or getting the properties and method from parent type class is known as the child class or derived class. So let's see the example of inheritance. So यहाँ पर हम लोग के पास एक animal type class है which is the parent type class, and it has a property name and a constructor animal, and there is a two derived classes which basically extend the properties and method of parent class animal. First is dog class and second is cat, and we use super method to call the super constructor which is defined inside the parent class. We have created object of dog class and cat class, and we are giving the name as the property of each objects, and here we are calling the method associated with each classes. So this is the coding part of inheritance. So let's talk about different type of inheritance in Java. So first is single inheritance. So in single inheritance, the method and properties of class A is shared with the class B. So this is single inheritance. So let's talk about other inheritance, multi-level inheritance. Here, properties of class A is extend by class B, and properties of class B is extend by class C. So here, the class C is the child class of class B, and class B is child class of class A, and class A is the parent of class B and grandparent of class C, and parent of C is class B. So this is multi-level inheritance. Let's talk about the hierarchical inheritance. So in hierarchical inheritance, basically there is one base class and more than one derived class. The properties of base class is shared among these derived classes. So this is hierarchical inheritance. So let's talk about hybrid inheritance. So in hybrid inheritance, there is a combination of more than one type of inheritance. So in this case, we can see there is multi-level inheritance as well as single inheritance. So this is known as multi plus single, or we can say hybrid inheritance. So let's talk about multiple inheritance. So as you can see, there is more than one or two base classes and one derived classes. So if the properties and methods of these two classes are shared within a derived class, then there is a concept of unambiguity or diamond shape problem. Due to this reason, in Java, multiple inheritance is not allowed. So this is multiple inheritance. What is diamond shape problem? So basically, as we know, object class is the parent class of all classes. So there is a default class which is object class, and every class extend the properties and behavior of object class. So if we add a object class which act as a parent to the base 1 class and base 2 class, so there will be a shape of diamond, and this problem is known as diamond shape problem. So in Java, multiple inheritance is not allowed due to the reason of concept of unambiguity. If there would be two same method but different implementation, then this class would be confused that which method should I adopt. So that's why in Java multiple inheritance is not allowed. So this is all about the inheritance in Java, and I hope this video helps you. So if you are new on this channel, so make sure you like and share the video, and thank you very much. Till then, we will meet in the next video.